No nii, ja meie oleme nüüd üllatuslikult sattunud Eurovisiooni kõige populaarsema ja kõige ikoonilisema šokolaadimaja töötuppa ja selle telgitagustesse, sest just nimelt siia tuuakse suur osa rahvusvahelisi delegatsioone ja riike, kes siis osalevad Eurovisioonil, sest just nimelt Bešle teeb neid imelisi šokolaadisüdameid, kus on väga siiruviiruline sisu sees ja ühtlasi siis tehakse ka neile erinevaid šokolaadi-workshoppe. Ja minu kõrval on siis siin turundusjuht, kes räägibki, kes kõik siia on jõudnud. So which delegations have found their way here? I know you are like very popular among them.
Thank you so much. So we had Italy just today, we had Australia, we had Poland, we had Cyprus, we had Slovenia, we had Portugal, Croatia. I think I forgot some of them, but yeah, that's more or less what we had, yes.
They're keeping you busy, right?
Yes, absolutely. We love it, you know, it's very fun. We didn't know, you know, we also had the stars, like the acts came to do chocolate with us, which was for us very, very, very pleasant. Also, just, you know, the entourage was very pleasant as well. It was a lot of fun.
We know that heart is like the symbol of Eurovision. It has been a long time. So how was it that exactly Bešle, this chocolate house, was chosen to make these special hearts?
Oh, we were not chosen. The invention is from us. You know, we in Basel we have Carnival, and we had Rappli Schoki. You know, in Basel, Carnival is a really big deal, and we created a big chocolate which was filled with confetti, and then we cracked it up. And then we said we want to do something for ESC, and then we came up, all the delegations got a small heart from us, and we wanted something special, you know, because in the small heart we couldn't place the confetti, so we did a double heart.
Wow.
And in the first layer you have the rainbow colors from a ganache with lemon, and then in the second layer we have the confetti. And when we crack it open, you will see afterwards. Yeah, it's very nice, and it's also very tasty. So we were very happy to have done it.
So tell me, the Eurovision week is soon over, unfortunately, but are you going to still offer these hearts? Let's say if some tourists want to come from Estonia here and find their hearts.
Yes, of course. We will still have some hearts, not that many, but yeah, if tourists come from Estonia, they just are welcome. We have also other things who are very, very nice.
No doubt about it. Just a bit about the history of this house too.
So Bešle was founded in 1898, and it used to be a family business until about 12 years ago. And now it's owned by the Vinegar Group from Basel. And yeah, we are not a family business anymore, but we still have a big heart for Bešle.
Have you counted how many hearts have you done already?
Yeah, so we made about 1,100 hearts, and so far we sold, I think, more or less half of them.
Okay. No nii, kuulsite siis. Ligi 500 südant on veel olemas ja meie nüüd lähemegi vaatame, mis selle südame sees on ja proovime järgi ka, kui maitsev see on. Ja nüüd esimest korda elus ma proovin šokolaadi, mis tuleb otse nii-öelda šokolaadikraanist ja muidugi Šveits on ju tuntud kui šokolaadimaa. Ja proovime nüüd siis, kuidas maitsleb selle šokolaadimaja tume šokolaad. See ei ole üldse nii kibe, see on lihtsalt imeline ja suus sulav. Just sellest ongi see süda tehtud. Sellel on siis terve tehnika, kuidas seda südant nii-öelda lahti murda, ja praegu meil on siis kahe naise jõud, et siin on seda, mida murda, aga teeme siis nüüd seda, mida kõik need Eurovisiooni staarid on siin juba teinud. Okay, so you show. Yes. Oh, it's hard, yeah.
It's hard, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, it wasn't the perfect crack, but we see the layers. Look.
This rainbow is all over here.
Okay, wow.
Nice.
Yes, let's try. Yeah.